Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. Okay, so let's see what is the message for you guys today. This will be a general read. So let's see. Okay, plant the seeds, seasonal harvest, cleansing body and spirit. Beautiful. Okay, so maybe plant the seeds. It is some ideas which are generating, or you're getting some ideas in your mind. It is time to start making a plan for them. Okay, so it is time to start something new. Maybe some of you all are working on a new project or thinking of starting something new, and some of you all have already done the hard work, and now it is time to reap the benefits. So as is in the spiritual journey or in your work or in your growth, everybody is in a different timeline. So never compare your growth, your journey with anybody else's. And this is for, I think, for all of us, cleansing body and spirit. Okay, so yesterday, after many months or weeks, I had gone to do a few errands. So they were pending from a long time. So I went and did that, and also I met an old friend after about 6 months, and we chatted for an hour or so, and it was so much fun. It was so de-stressing. It was, I got so much kind of energy. I've got energy packed for the next few months now. I feel as if I'm energized. So you should take a break in your life. We are all busy, we are all working hard, we all want to earn money, but these breaks are very important. Okay, so let's go deep in this. Let's see what else is the message connected to all these things. So plant the seeds. Six of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Lovers, Hangman, Empress, Two of Swords, Fool. Wow, beautiful. Okay, I'll just put it here so you all can see the cards. Okay, so as I said, some of you all are weaving something new. You all are making something new, starting something new. This is something to do with a team project to do together. So the things have started, and it may be a dream of your childhood. This is something you are getting into reality, getting into fruition now after a long wait. And if you are continue, first and foremost, the benefits will start like a Page of Pentacles, and then after few years or even a few months also, you will start reaping the benefits. See this. Okay, and there is another beautiful card, Ace of Pentacles. It is again a new source of money, new source of abundance coming to you. And you have already, as I said, you have already done the work. You were here, you were frustrated, unhappy, unsure of where life was going, and you started detaching from all the unhealthy patterns. You started breaking your unhealthy patterns, and at first it did not seem something big, but every small step in the right direction is very important and very influential. As you can see this, it is, she's just Empress. This card especially, it is just, she's just about to give birth. So this is time to reap your benefits. Some of you all are just going to get a promotion, going to get what do you say, strike gold, jackpot time. And some of you all are coming into or meeting someone new and may start a new relationship. and this relationship will be very different from the others you have had previously. He or she won't be your typical type, but that they are going to take you into a new level of understanding in life. So now you have decided to go with what makes you happy. Okay, so what really makes you happy, comfortable, what puts a smile on your face. And I will also pull out a few angel cards, and let's see what is the message. You can even think of a question. Forgiveness. Maybe some of y'all are meant to forgive someone or ask for forgiveness. Okay, so that is the maybe the closure you guys need. I'll pull out one or two more cards. Let me see. Improving health. Some of y'all need to take care of your health, start some healthy habits, healthy patterns. And one more. Unlikely. So if this is a question that you have asked, the answer is unlikely. Okay, so in all, I think it is a beautiful read. You just need to take time for yourself, enjoy life, because life you get only once. And abundance or the 10 of Pentacles will follow after you start relaxing and enjoying life. Okay, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and you can even follow me on Instagram, and also you can get a tarot read free every morning on my WhatsApp group. All links are in the description box below. So love you all guys, have a great day, take care, bye bye.